San Diego woke up expecting sunshine and overpriced brunch. Instead, boom, rain, wind, snow. In San Diego, actual snow. People lost their damn minds. A guy in La Jolla tried to snowboard down his driveway, immediately concussed himself. A lady in Pacific Beach called 911 over a single snowflake. On the freeway, absolute chaos. One dude abandoned his Tesla and just started running. Meanwhile, tourists from Minnesota were in shorts, laughing. "You call this a storm?" A local, wrapped in 6 blankets, whispered, "Go to hell." Then, just as suddenly, it was 75 degrees again. Everyone pretended it never happened. Except for Steve in Chula Vista, still trapped in his Prius under 2 inches of snow. Send help.